So, what are the best teacher gifts? The first gift idea that is wonderful for teachers is a lesson planner. This is the undated lesson planner. I have a whole video on it so you can look inside of it, see what it has. I'll also drop the Amazon link below, but Teacher's Lesson Plan. So this is a book, something that's practical that they can use. Another gift idea for teachers, I've got my little teacher basket here, that you can do is a journal for them. Teachers work really hard, and it's great to have journals where they can jot down notes, use it for assessments. So we have the When God Calls You to Teach prayer journal, or the Encourage, Empower, Educate, Inspire journal. And both of these leave plenty of space for teachers to jot down notes, to do to-do lists, to jot down their prayers and things of that nature. So those are like encouraging gifts. Another gift idea is kind of more on the practical side is class gifts. So getting a class set of maybe some draw and write journals. We have the preschool primary journal, Little Birds Draw and Write journal. Again, a very practical gift that teachers can use. You could also do an actual book to add to their library. If you know new books that came out, like The Little Bird Who Wanted to Fly, or other books that you know that the teacher doesn't already have in their library, that is another great gift idea. Another cool gift idea is getting teachers things that can add to their classroom into the learning environment parts. So think about subjects that the teacher doesn't get to, like maybe geography. I know a lot of teachers, because there's such a push on literacy and math, a lot of teachers don't get to spend a lot of time on geography. And so getting like the Geo Safari talking globe, where students literally can go up and use this pen and it will tell them facts about that country, the continent, the ocean, animals, things, features, landmark features in that country, and it has it broken up. It even has like a little games that students can do with it. And so this is just a great little tool that is pretty independent, and it also gives teachers an opportunity to interact and engage with their students in a different way, and students can engage with it independently as well. And I'll make sure I leave it below. Time, I call this one time and talents. So can you give your time far as cleaning up, reading to the children? Can you give your talents? Maybe you play the guitar. Maybe you are a great storyteller. Maybe your profession, maybe you're a sanitation worker or a doctor or a dentist. Can you come show the children something that's educational and enriching? Maybe you're an author. Give your time and your talents. Teachers love those opportunities. Also, and it also kind of gives them a little bit of a break of just, being able to enjoy seeing something educational with their students. And it's something that's going to also help the children learn. And it's just a great break from the schedule. Another great gift idea that I think is always good is the sentimental gifts. As a teacher, I have always kept I have a whole bin full of artwork that children have given me over the years. And I will tell you, if the teacher is sentimental, he or she is going to enjoy those types of gifts. And then the last gift is gift cards. And I know some people feel like those are not as personable, but I really feel like if it's a gift card, if you know that the teacher's not vegan or has a special dietary restriction, or you choose a restaurant that you know has a variety of things on the menu, that's super helpful. Like teachers go on a lunch break, and that could be a great gift card, or maybe when they get off work, a great gift card that they can use to enjoy lunch or dinner or breakfast. Another gift card idea could be places like Walmart or Amazon, places where teachers can shop and get supplies and things for their classroom or things for themselves just to treat themselves. So I would say if you're going to get a gift card, make sure that it's a place that has a variety of things either on their menu or in their store, so you don't feel like, oh my gosh, I hope they can eat this, or I hope that they like this place. But let me know right now in the comments, what has been your favorite teacher gift idea? I'll make sure I leave links to everything that you saw here today. If you're new here, my name is Brianna. I'm the author and founder of the Brown Bear Book Club. Like, follow, subscribe, however you are watching or hearing this, and join the club. It's totally free for teachers and parents. It's free for anybody who enjoy getting teaching tools, tips, specifically in the early childhood field. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope these gift ideas were helpful. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.